Hi everybody, welcome to today's English lesson. So today we are recalling and using division facts for the 5 times table. So remember, division is, we use this sign today. This is the sign we're using today. So let's see if we can say our division facts. So this is how they're written down. Let's see if we can say them. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2, 15 divided by 5 is 3, 20 divided by 5 is 4, 25 divided by 5 is 5, 30 divided by 5 is 6, 35 divided by 5 is 7, 40 divided by 5 is 8, 45 divided by 5 is 9, 50 divided by 5 is 10, 55 divided by 5 is 11, 60 divided by 5 is 12. So you can see that in this column, apart from the first one, which is 0, it's always the biggest number. Then you've got the divide, and then you've got, in this column, the times table that you are doing. So, for example, it's 5, and then you've got the answer. Remember, though, we can turn these around, and we can make them multiplication. So, for example, if we take this one, 15 divided by 5 is 3, we can turn that around and make it multiplication. So we can make it 3 times 5 equals, what number have we used? We used that one, and the answer is 15. Okay, we can also change it around to 5 times 3 is 15. And the last thing we can do is we can still make it a division calculation, but we can change the numbers around. So instead of being 15 divided by 5 is 3, we could have 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so those are the different ways we can write it, just so it helps, because division is very tricky. So let's learn the division facts. Let's go through them again. Ready? I'm going to use a light blue this time. 0 divided by 5 is 0. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 50 divided by 5 is 10. 55 divided by 5 is 11. And 60 divided by 5 is 12. When you're counting, when you're doing this, so for example, if you want to work out the answer to this one, 55 divided by 5, you need to count in 5s until you get to 55. So I will count and I will write the numbers here, and then we'll work it out. So normally we do this with our fingers. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So I've counted to 55, and you could do it with your fingers. What number did I get? Number 11. So I counted in 5s all the way to 55, and the answer is 11. So that's another way you can do it. So here's your do it for today. The do it for today is to calculate these. So 15 divided by 5. So remember, you're counting in 5s till you get to 15. So 5, 10, 15. So if we have a look, we've got 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 3 is 15. And if we have a look, we got to 15. So what is the answer? The answer is, I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to see if you can guess it. The next one, we've got 30 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5. The next one is 60 divided by 5. But remember, when you're writing it, you're going to write the answer at the beginning. And the last one is 45 divided by 5. And again, you're going to write the answer at the beginning. Make sure you do write the answer at the beginning. Okay, so pause the video now and do your do it. So here's a twist it. Let's have a look. Colin thinks that 5 equals 1 divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5, he thinks it's 5. Explain why he is incorrect. So let's have a look at this number sentence. So I'm going to write it this way around just because it can help us. And let's see if we can work the answer out. So this number here, this is how many we've got in total. And this is how many people we're going to share it to. So say I've got 5 people. And I've got 1 plate and I've only got 1 piece of food on my plate. Can I share this 1 piece of food with all these 5 people? No, I can give this to this person, but the other people haven't got any. So what has Colin done? He has put the numbers in the wrong order, hasn't he? What should it be? Let's put 5 at the beginning. Let's see. 5 divided by, let's put 5 and let's see what the answer is. So this time we are going to, I'm going to draw it here. I have a plate, I have 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to see, this one's going to go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everybody has 1 piece. So Colin is correct because he put the numbers in the wrong order, didn't he? So now I've put them in the right order now. So this is your twist it. Let's have a look. Colin thinks that 0 divided by 5 is 5. Explain why he's incorrect. Now this is a little bit different to the twist it you did, because when we divide anything by 0, it's always the same answer. So I'll show you. So here is my plate, and there's nothing on it. Put a cross, there's nothing on it. So 1, 2, there's 5 people I need to share. So this person gets nothing. This person gets nothing. This person gets nothing. This person gets nothing. And this person gets nothing. So what has Colin done? He has put the wrong answer, hasn't he? Because when you divide anything by 0, the answer is 0. You can't share anything. So you're going to write Colin is wrong because, and I'll write the word because here. Very tricky. And then I'm going to put dot, 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 and you're going to write, and make sure you write the right number sentence. This is not the right number sentence. Make sure you write at the end the right number sentence so I know that you have got it. So pause the video now and do your twist it. So here is a solve it. And what you have to do is you have to complete the statements. So we're going to solve, and then afterwards you can solve them in several ways possible. And then, this is the challenge, solve them using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, only once each. That's the most important thing. So you can do the solve it, you can do this one, just complete it, then you can see if you can solve it in several ways, so different ways, and then you can see if you can solve it using these digits, but only once each. Okay? So I'm going to get my pen and have a look. So actually, I might help with this one. I might help you do this one. Use once each, and we'll see if we can do this one together. So now I know that we're doing divided by 5, so this one has to be 5, and I'm going to cross 5 out because I've used that one. So something divided by 5. Oh, now I'm not going to touch that one, but I'm going to work this one out. Because 35 divided by 5, I can do the answer for that. So I'm going to count in 5 till I get to 35. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I use my fingers and the answer is 7. I'm going to put the 7 in there. Okay, so I can't use 5 again and I can't use 7 again. This one is something with 2 digits divided by 5 equals, oh, and it's got a 10 here. So let's see. Oh, I've got to use a 1. I've got to use 2. So 20 divided by 5 is, oh no, that's not right. What about 30 divided by 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh no, that's 6. I can't do them. What about 40? 40 divided by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's 8, so I still can't use that. What about 6? 60 divided by 5, 60 divided by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Oh, I can do that one. So I'm going to put 60 here, divided by 5, and I got the answer 12. It's a bit of a wobbly 2. So I've used 6 and I've used 2. Now I need to do another one here and another one here. So I haven't used 8. So let's see what 8 times 5 is, and then I'll have a look, and maybe it might fit in here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Oh, okay, so actually I could put 8 here, cross that out, and then I've got 4, so I could put 4 here. So now I've only got 3 and a 1. Oh, now I'm not sure this is going to work out. Oh, let's have a look. 35 divided by 5. Let's see. Is that 1? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, no, that's 7. Okay, let's put the 1 here. So 15 divided by 3 is, divided by 5, is it 3? If it's 3, then we've got the magic answer. So let's go 5, 10, 15. Oh, it is 3. So I have helped you solve this. But can you see if you can solve it in different ways? So I've solved it this way. Can you see if you can solve it in other ways? Okay, so do the solve it now, and then once you finish the solve it, make sure you post a picture on Google Classroom so I can see your work. Well done for today, guys. Bye.